Sunu waiting day.
This is what Lagos are same 10,000. That is the problem. Nigeria bene una persona oh. If any man no bodo na bomanya milio. All over the country people them are suffering. All over Nigeria people them are dying oh. Anya na boda kaina boda. These people who
I want back federal government. I want back state government. People are complaining. Things today. What thing you buy yesterday, the price don't change today. Things when you they buy last week, things don't change. Oh, price of things don't change. Nigerians they complain. I don't know. Everybody they complain. Federal government want to remove subsidy for fuel, and they don't promise Nigerians they go give 40 million Nigerians 5,000 for 6 months. But still they say, but you will collect the 5,000.
5,000 is too small. Let them make it 1 million. You understand? And they will check how much for each senator.
Okay,
how much
you talk does not enter my brain.
I say, may they make 1 million
from 5,000.
We have. Excuse me. Do you know why I say that? We have the money. We have the money, you understand? Each senator, how much? House of Rep, how much they are paying them, you understand? How can you give ordinary, masses 5,000 naira? That is too, that cannot buy onions.
I'm surprised for the way you take the talk.
Yes, let them give us 1 million each. Each person,
okay,
1 million
they not say they want to remove the subsidy.
1 million naira each person. Yes.
But are you confused with the economic balance of the country? Is it not the economic not balance?
We not say no balance.
Okay, you know.
We know say no balance. But instead of them to embezzle the whole money, let us give us. Let them give us.
Thank you. This man saying go prefer me to share 1 million naira.
Each Nigerian.
From 2022.
Each Nigerian, both unborn baby. As far as you register in the hospital, they will pay him.
I go.
Because if you they wait, listen, if you they wait, you say, man, you wait, they're not going to give you any.
Welcome, sir. Family, how do you work today? Oh, gallop is smart, you know. Yeah. Everybody just they complain. You know, say federal government, they plan to come out subsidy now for fuel.
They said it.
And they want to share 5,000 to 40 million vulnerable Nigerians. Are you ready to collect?
Number one.
To collect?
Yes, to collect. Be number one. Yes. Instead of me, you to be number one, me go be number one.
I'm not going to reach my side. Not going to reach my hand.
You go reach it. Don't worry. But now where did they play also?
Huh?
GBT. Accra GBT. I'm not sure say it will happen.
Okay, people they watch us for national television, for YouTube, for Facebook.
Happen.
You say that GBT?
They deceive us.
But how you see the economic of the country now?
You know, see aside they trade, you know, see aside they sweat. And so it's supposed to be. See everything. So high. Transport.
High.
From New Benin, now leg I take the trade.
Look, you the try come now from New Benin to King Square.
Yes.
I know if you drink water. I'm not gonna drink pure water. Pure water. Okay, I'm not gonna drink water. This country, what is the problem? Now let me solve your problem. Your problem now, let me tell you something. By 2022, federal government is planning to remove subsidy.
Exactly.
And because of that situation, we want to select 40 million poor Nigerians to give them 5,000 naira.
5,000 naira. Wait. No, we talk one. Now that 5,000 naira be our problem. What's you tell me? Is it 5,000 naira be your problem now? See, last now yesterday night governor finally go Sapler Road. Say make they talk good. Until when people die there before governor come they tell us say this and this that. This year say we dey cry. Now we start to dey cry for main road.
What is the problem? What is the problem?
I tell you, China talk, China make parable. China say kuku chain. The meaning is that if you front no let go, where person for come back, where person for they come, you go back to that side. If the Buhari can no repair, make it return back as it is.
For 2015?
Your mind go day.
Gege.
Your mind go, he go day.
Overthinking no go stop. I don't they go. It's he or he.
You don't see person wey big pass.
It's he.
I don't know that one.
Okay. But money now they come from heaven to better thing money go. Now true word that they tell people they complain oh. I don't they go. Things they there. I don't they. Okay. Anyway, I just go. Nigerians they drag me. But they say the economy is not balanced. Some say na dollar. But how you see them? Federal government they plan to remove subsidy and to give 5,000 to 40 million Nigerians. But Oga, how you see the country? How is it balanced? You have anything to do?
It's not balanced. So the leaders they need to wake up. It's like many of the leaders are still sleeping. They need to wake up so that Nigeria will get better. That is it.
Okay, you as a Nigerian, what are you noticing? What do they notice?
Every day things they increase now. Every day. Before you go inside motor to come back, you don't buy something finish. Before you go inside motor to come back, they'll say the thing you don't add money. That's why they say I'm now.
We know they feel buy anything again. No. Everything they do, they're hungry. Even transport now, don't dare. Salary, not everything, nothing now. They're hungry. Well. They're hungry. Everything they do, poor man they die. Everybody they die for hungry. We no they feel enter motor again. I trek.
Everything there for market now. If you go now cloth, they say if you touch one cloth, they'll come money. Money no day. People they complain. How we want do one? Go sit there, they say.
But federal government wants share 5,000 to 40 million poor people.
Oh, yeah,
because they want to remove subsidy.
When they want start time, maybe they start time.
Are you a poor person?
Things they there for market. They don't increase salary. They increase properties. To buy pure water, 120 naira. Salary remain as it be. Make they increase her. Follow the money, the things where they increase for markets.
Overthinking now go solve problem.
What's new?
Now the 5K with federal government say they want share with this.
For where federal government no get money they share. Federal
government of Nigeria. Where they want share 5,000 to 40 million Nigerians for 6 months because of subsidy.
My brother no go reach our 2 hands now. Why would we fool ourselves now? You know where the money they go now. That money no go reach our 2 hands.
How much for this one? How much? You not go fit talk say this right plantain na 400 naira. Na 200 naira now. Last price.
400. No, not show me for ITV.
No, I'll show you. But if person see you now say one marry you, not agree.
No show me.
Person they watch you for America, for Germany, for Spain, for Lagos, for Abuja. You want marry you, not go marry. Won't you marry me? Gang. I will marry you. I don't they go.
Ask me a question.
I say I want marry you that day. You say whether not juju.
Not juju with us.
I say I want marry you.
Why you want marry me?
Won't you marry me? Gang. I will marry you. Overthinking
not go. Same problem.
Bebafa, I want to marry you.
Oh yeah, no.
I want to marry you.
Please marry me.
I want to marry you.
Please marry me.
When you don't reach Ember, all of them agree.
Yes, now. I need money now. I need money.
But
I need money.
Wait.
Give me money now.
Somebody they watch us now for America.
What's it gonna concern me?
Wait. Person they watch us for America.
Who they watch us?
If they watch us for Europe, for London.
Oh yeah, now.
Say one marry you.
No, now you. Now you say one marry me now, shoe.
Now juju be that.
Stop it, juju now. Shoe.
Gang. Corporate. Alpha. Everywhere clear.
As the world of general. Who the?
Gang.
That's it, please.
Gang.
Yeah, bro.
Gang.
Who the?
Gang.
World Empire Mula in the building.
Hey.
20 bottles of Belade for you tonight.
Some people say it like say not clear.
And they supply the demand.
Some people say not clear.
You get why?
But it clear.
Secure the bag.
Don't they go? Gang. Don't beg Nigerians. At times now me and you will be Nigeria with the suffer ourselves. Now for this country now, everybody get your price. Who they buy they rush. Who they sell they rush. Everybody now get your price now. Okay, well us. Okay, how much for this bucket? 400 naira.
Gee, where have you been again? Motor we buy 3 weeks ago, 3,800. It's now 4,500.
Now dollar cost am. Now dollar.
No.
Dollar, I just go beg you. Dollar of the United States of America. Dollar, I beg you. Everything na dollar. Dollar, they beg you. So.
Bossunu, waiting dey happen.
I want beg federal government. I want beg state government. People are complaining. Things today. What thing you buy yesterday, the price don't change today. Things where you they buy last week, things don't change. Oh, price of things don't change. Nigerians they complain. I don't. What is the problem? What is the problem? What is the problem?
Problem there. Oh, look at all those things here. Now I'll tell you now, we the best all of now for this country now. Even you. When I don't carry the matter, go up a place. Yes. Now the first us now. We don't talk when I go edit them. We don't talk when I don't always go to the come. Now you see they come. Just we will find now. That's what we before. If we talk finish, you go edit them. You go edit them.
Okay, wait. Let's solve this problem. Because of the announcement when federal government said by 2022, they are planning to remove the subsidy and they want to give 40 million Nigerians 5,000 naira. Are you not happy for that?
No. I want to work. What happened to COVID-19 money and palliative and everything for us?
Where it is?
What happened for Okoro when they go to boss things? Don't want to say no nowhere. Don't want to say no nowhere.
Do you know that I say palliative? Another one again. That is all they said they want to do for 350. I don't get 300,000 keep what I want to buy GK next year. Because all those waiting for money, they don't see thief again now. So they know if you buy fuel for motor again, they buy 300,000. You will get 3 motor. You will get 3 motor.
They're not going to pay anybody.
You go say 2.
There's only the see the best one. You see the technology for this country.
They take only the cost. You see the take. We don't take more than one.
What is the problem? What is the problem?
Nigeria.
What is the problem?
That's not one Nigeria.
Anyway, you see Nigeria now they complain. What is the problem?
No problem. Oh. Now so they talk.
You want give me PP? You want give me PP?
You don't take only. This one go reach 100 naira. Hey, what's not they doing like that again? Come, I go first for you. There's only the cost.
Wait up.
This cap now light. So this cap. I beg for waiting. You not go beg Buhari make carry rice down. Eh? Rice now is 26,000, 27,000 for bag. December never reach you. So for that now, once is this your cap?
I beg.
No.
I beg.
No.
Biko no. Biko.
You go beg Buhari for me.
I'll go.
You tell us say make he bring rice down.
Talk to them. They want you. They want you for
first. Make he bring rice down. Say the time of good luck. Rice na 8,000 naira for bag. Tin tomatoes 50 naira, 70 naira. Now 500, 300. Even the one where we dey buy 150 is 500 now. Where we dey go? I beg help me tell am.
Give me the car.
You know if you tell me I beg.
I beg. Overthinking no go solve problem. Gang.
Give me Malian Kush.
I not get.
Malian Kush.
I not get. I don't know. I
dey buy Malian Kush.
I not get them. I don't know that get. NDLA na they sell am. NDLA. I don't they go. Who they buy the rush? Who they sell the rush?
Rush, yes. Now rushing hour.
Some say the economic no balance.
You know balance now.
Why you go say no balance?
You balance before.
How you go talk like that?
You look and I tell balance.
But now, federal government want to remove subsidy for fuel.
You go worse to pass now. I mean, you know say you go worse before.
They want to share 5,000 to 40 million Nigerians.
Where till you go reach us to buy?
You know collect 5,000 naira.
I no collect. You no reach me to buy anything.
5,000 naira.
What till I won't take and buy?
For 6 months, 5,000 naira.
I no reach to buy anything. They are not telling you how much for your house. Bag of rice na 30-something thousand. Within 5,000 go reach to pay buy.
Yeah. Mommy, I this for market.
He get as he be o. Things too dear o. He too dear. Wasu nu ti dear.
Now my fans. she go fit tell you what you they do since 2019. What's your name?
Dora.
Dora. Do you love watching Wosuno?
Yes.
Tell me something about the program.
The program goes everywhere around the world to tell us what is happening. Like if you don't have water, you meet Wosuno and call him and tell him you don't have water. He meets the government and tell you that the government provide water for you and take care of you.
Can you tell me any of your special episodes that you love that you will not miss? Which one don't do what you like?
I like the way you say, show me the way. Gang.
Show me the way.
Wosuno, waiting they happen.
I done they go. And I say, I done they go. Who blocked the road? Who blocked the road? When they don't close the who? Hey! Now they block this road though. Then they go. But when people don't close from their working place, business place, people go they rush. The line down they move. Come on for road though. Then they go. Welcome. Oh. Now, wow. Here we block it, then we rush. This light where they shine for you, where you want me to carry the light go again? Make them carry this light for you.
500 naira.
From here to Ogbuego.
500 naira. Abado projects. How much for diesel? Road not good. How much for diesel? Tell me.
Now you make you load that 500.
Why I not go load that? Pass. How much did they say pass for motor? See ticket.
Where's the ticket?
I dey buy my ticket here. But what do they see?
Not be that
ticket. Not be that go be this here. You don't see her.
Where that's your girl?
All the tickets why they buy no road. Diesel they there, fuel they there. I want to walk. Since morning I tell you na 2 trips per day now you believe.
Overthinking not go solve problem.
Not be overthinking. Hold up where they dey the road. You know I be.
I don't they go. I don't they go. But this kind of people go to drive any and they go go slow. Hold up. Hold up, oh. Hold up, oh. Hey. Hold up. Once they don't close, they don't open. Oh, but you're not supposed to hear.
No, not be my fault.
This rushing, you're not supposed to hear.
Not be my fault. Not be my fault.
I the balance never still complete.
The blessing if I do the work.
The balance never still complete.
The blessing, how you say no? The blessing if I do the work, but you better do the work.
I don't they go. You get the battery.
Why not?
Now you get the battery.
Why not?
Your motor spoil.
Yeah, it was spoiled.
Now you carry the battery.
Yes,
why you not leave the battery now?
No, sir. No.
I don't they go. I don't they go. Sister, welcome. Oh. Like when they shine for this ring road, you like them? Like where you go, but sister, where you go light? Where you go? Want to make Governor Obaseki carry this light go again?
I never go to that barrack.
Okay,
yes.
Okay, make light they shine for that side.
Trade
fair. Carry the light go trade fair. Okay. People don't. Okay, this one say trade fair. Down they go. Mommy, welcome. As this light, go front. As the light they shine like this.
Yes, sir.
Like here you go. Want make this light go again?
I can one road. Then what to do?
Okay, maybe I carry this street light go. I can one road.
What to do? We not get lights. We not get road.
Zafira. Okay, this car town are going increase transport for what did they happen?
No, we not increase them.
What did they cause this hold up?
No, back away the customer. Open high just for them.
Anywhere you there for Nigeria, there for Benin City and those states outside Nigeria, when people don't close from their working place or business place, people go to drive anyhow. You go see how now I don't there for don't they go. Mommy, how much they take carry you now from Ring Road to where you they go?
150.
From here to where?
From Ring Road to Barak.
Barak, 150 naira. Don't they go? Hold up. Obakawaye Junction. At the end of the day, you go surprise what it causes traffic now. Now one man, Oga, I don't tire. Baba, what take people go they argue because he jam a bumper. Argument go they cause hold up. I don't they go. You jam my car. You jam my car. Do you know who I am? Do you know who I am? Because he jam your car. Whoa. I don't they go. No traffic officer. They don't dark. Traffic officer. Down they go. Who is the traffic officer? So now, at this time of the day now, it's after 7 to 7 now. After 7, no traffic officer. No traffic officer here. Move. Okay, wait. What is the problem?
Oh, this man said this vehicle jam on. So I didn't jam on, I go pay.
It's not cause hold up now. Call.
He said because of this man, they are fault. They say so. And me wait, and they hurry. And this one won't talk. They say so.
Okay now. See him now. We're there for Obaket Road by Obakawaye Junction. Now the truth of the matter is no traffic officer there now. At the end of the day now, argument between two. See you, come. Hey.
Soon, waiting they happen.
I want beg federal government. I want beg politicians and leaders. Nigerians are complaining. Okuame. Yeah. Let's say this studio.
I beg Buhari, make it reduce trees of price, trees of down, trees of artists that just make Buhari reduce and down. Governor beg fish water reduce down. Fish water reduce down. Price will not be by
pure water. Not clear. People are complaining that things in the country are too expensive.
Yes.
People are complaining.
Yes, you know, they let them complain. Why are they complaining? We are they not the same people that said without Buhari this country cannot move forward. So why are they complaining? They ask for what they want
and God gave them what they want.
This place your Obaseki people for case, you like am?
Na good thing now.
Where you want me to go again?
May go round the whole Edo State now. Now one place they go. Not be Edo State you dey one for. Bosunu. This light make you go round Edo State. If you not fit go round Edo State, make go round the major streets. You hear me now? May go round the major streets.
Not be Buhari the warriors. They don't increase transport. From New Benin to Ring Road, that is 100 naira, no more 15 naira. Who be a 300? The federal government never increase food, they don't increase transport. You don't know.
Since when? Then they increase the thing. You don't know.
Everything don't.
Forget food though.
Sorry.